Alright guys, Tyler here, hot as could be outside. With the rear bumper for the 78 Vet, and I have let the nuts sit overnight and all the studs that I put in. I let them sit overnight. Now I want to do a little test, make sure they're all gonna hold up for a long time, hopefully forever. Hopefully longer than the owner of the car is always what you want. So let's do a couple, let's get a couple out. Let's get them all off. That one seems good. Now let's hope that all my pencil marks that I put on here to make the holes are going to be legit and lined up well. Kind of shot in the dark. I did have it clamped up there really well at one point. I had it clamped into a spot exactly where I wanted it. I think it's 16 to one side, or to one bumper. Get those put in the bucket. And they held up really well, actually. They seem like they're really stout, the ones I touch. Just grab some. Look at that thing, ain't going nowhere. That's flexing the whole bumper. Check all of them. If you push too hard, that's gonna crack that. Ooh, I'm gonna crack the glass. This one I already gotta do a little repair on the corners. I don't know what's going on with the corner here on the outside, but it's got a crack in it, so it's not cracked through. I think it's just a paint. These are all really stout. I'm really happy with these, actually. We'll get these cleaned up, and I'll get this cleaned up. Let's start cleaning them up right now. I don't know. I might just leave it there. I might clean that guy up right there, but I don't want to mess with these too much. Anything you take off, and you don't want to be taking this stuff off here. You want to keep it kind of thick. You know, I'm going to take that off, but whatever's on there, leave on there, because it's just going to help it hold it. It's like welding on metal. If you go and weld a plug weld and then grind 3/4 of it off, and it's very, very weak. People don't realize that. So let's just leave as much of it on as you can. In fact, I'm probably just going to leave that on. I mean, that's not hurting nothing. If anything, it's going to make that glass right there stronger. Let's get this, see if it fits though. I'm not going to put any bolts in it today. Not right now. Maybe I'll put a couple in it. Reason being, I'm going to have this thing back on and off. There's one little spot I got to fix. That's a little too... One little spot I got to fix. Ooh. Looking good so far. that worked really well. I don't have any bolts in it, and you can see I don't have any bolts in it, and you can see that is just sitting up there by itself. Once we get that tightened down, that thing's gonna look like gold. I gotta fix one little spot right there. You can see it's a little wide from here to here. And I don't know how I'm gonna address that yet. I don't know if we're gonna add to the car or add to the bumper. Probably looks like we need to add to the bumper. It looks like the bumper needs to be added to. So I'll probably file this down by hand and put some glass in there. Maybe I'll do that while I fix this corner, because I can't let that stay like that. So let's get this marked. Let's get this spot marked here. This is the only bad spot on the car, on the whole bumper, is from here I'm very happy with this, very happy to here. So I'm going to draw a little so we know which ones they are. And I'll fill that more than I need to with glass, and then what I'll do is I'll file it down with like a wood file, and I'll keep fitting it off on, off on, off on, off on until this thing is perfect, and to where the rest of it looks like, you know, this here, where it's butted right up to it. And this will come out. This just sitting on here. This is going to come out. It just needs to be pulled around a little bit. But so that's what I'm going to make it for the video for the day. I got it up there. I want to test. Oh, I got to show you what we used. I really like it. John at AO really hooked us up. And I know prices are going crazy right now in the body world. So John hooked me up with this CarWorks Flex Filler. It says it's for plastic, but he recommended that I use this. And I've kind of learned over the years that when someone older than you is recommending something, you should take the advice and at least give it a shot. So, and once, you know, I did that and it worked out really well. I'm really impressed with, really impressed with the way that those studs held on the bumper. They look like they're going to hold for a really long time, and I'm really happy with that. So you guys, I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to keep working on this bumper here, on this rear bumper. We're going to get this thing fit, and that way we can do a couple videos on mudding the whole thing, and we'll get that thing spread. And hopefully by the end of the day, I'm going to order some new spreaders from linearblockingtools.com. I know they got 15% off today, and I'm gonna get those orders, so maybe we can break those spreaders in. I would like to get some blocks. I really do appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'm gonna keep you updated on this rear bumper. We're gonna get her mudded up, and we're gonna get that thing fit so it fits like a glove. And thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and keep the comments coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.